So welcome to module 4 of nodemcu. In this module, we're going to learn the practical of the previous topic that we learned in the last topic of the last previous module. So basically, we will apply the blink that we studied in the theoretical part. So over here, let's download the BLYNK app. Once you download the BLYNK app, you need to log in it through your Facebook account. After you log in it, let me show you. Yeah, so once you log in it, so we will just go to BLYNK and then you will find something like this being open, and I have already made some projects, so I won't go for it. I will just go for a new project here like this, new project. You may name it anything, so let me name it light control right over here. And I'm using nodemcu board, so I will be using this nodemcu. This board should be selected as per the board you are using, because this is what it will show you the pins and all. It will be very complicated if I explain you right now, but when we will do that, we'll just explain you properly. So Wi-Fi over here, we are using Wi-Fi, yes, and the dark or light theme. So let me go for light theme. I like this. So whatever you like, you may go. This is auth token was sent to pritamkundu60@gmail.com. This is my mail ID what I use actually. So the auth token is directly sent to it. So now the auth token is the only link to that our board will contact this BLYNK app in our mobile, and this makes it totally through internet. So this is what it does. So here we have in the plus sign a number of options. You could see we have buttons, we have style buttons, we have slider. As per the requirements, we can use anything, but we will use over here button. One button for on and one button for off. So see, here it's on off. So when 0 it's off, and when 1 it's on. You can see it's push and switch. So we'll make it a switch. We'll press it and then again we'll press it to just rectify it. And we can name this as LED over here. So we have successfully named this LED. Yeah, done. And now we'll just push back over here, and here is our button. You could see. So here you could see on output pin. Click on the pin, you will find which type of pin we want to use. So we will actually use the digital pin D0. So I will write D0 over here and done. That's all. So we have done with this, and we are ready to use this. While we want to use this, you will find this triangular button over here at the right corner. So you could find over here a triangular button. If we just put this button on, that means this is working. See, when we put on a click, it is on, and when we don't put, it's off. So it will send the data. But how to connect our board with this? You remember the auth token that was sent to our Gmail ID? So that auth token we need to use. So let me open our mail ID, and I will get that auth token. I need to copy it and paste in the BLYNK code. I will just show you right now. So guys, here we are back to the Arduino code, and over here we have opened this particular Arduino IDE, and now we'll go to the tools because we need to just include the BLYNK library. So we'll go to sketch, include library, and we'll click on manage libraries. You just remember, before clicking this step, you need to be connected with internet. If you're not connected to the internet, then this particular library will show you just an error. So you just connect your internet first, and then you click manage libraries. You will find something going on. This updating list of installed libraries. It takes a few seconds, and when it is ready, you could click over here. Yeah, right over here where you will need to search BLYNK, BLYNK, BLYNK. While you search this, you will find several like this, and you need to install this BLYNK by Volodymyr Shemansky. This should be installed in your particular system. I already installed it, that's why it's showing in me installed. Once you install this, then you just close it, go to the files, and you will find over here examples. At the bottom of the example, so when you come to the Wi-Fi, you will find over here ESP8266 standalone. Click on this and you will find a dialog box like this, and you just open this window, and this is the code which we are talking all about. You could see over here ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. There is a BLYNK library. Over here you could see an auth token. Here you could see an auth token right over here. Here. Over here we need to paste the auth token that was mailed to us, our username of our server, the phone which we are creating as a server, we need to use that username, and over here we'll use the password of the hotspot of the server. So let me do this first. So my user ID is Redmi. Sorry, it's Redmi. And the password I will give provided. Yeah, I have provided the password. This auth token will be found in our mail. So let us open the mail. Here I have already opened the mail, and this is the auth token. A mail will be like this, and here we need to copy this auth token completely. Very careful with copying the auth token, because if you do mistake in copying it, then it will not work, and we need to paste it over here. Once you are done, then everything is done. You connect your nodemcu board right with the system, and then you just go to tools, go to board, select nodemcu, and go to port. After that, select the port. That's done. Now you put upload. Once you press upload, it will take a certain time to just reconnect to everything. Once it is reconnected to everything, then we will be working. So before it gets uploaded, you just do one thing. You just have an LED and connect that LED to the D0 pin, because we have used D0 pin in our button. So we'll just connect the D0 pin, the positive part of the LED in the D0 pin, and the negative part of the LED in the ground. So once you do that, everything is done. So let us wait for the compilation. So here we have finished uploading, and once this is finished, so we need to come back to our BLYNK app and we need to control it through the app itself. So here we come with the BLYNK app. So you could see, guys, when we put off, the LED goes off, and when we put on, the LED goes on. So this is the entire BLYNK application project. You could see it's totally wireless, and we haven't connected any wire while giving data from here to there. So that's all for this project. Let us meet in the next topic with something very interesting, that is ifttt. Thank you.